I imagine a world where you can be yourself and also be comfortable in your own skin without people judging you.
I imagine a world where all ethnicities and races are welcomed. I imagine a world where my parents aren't at risk of getting deported. I imagine a world where I can feel safe without any other fears in my mind.
Hello, my name is Tumani. I imagine a world where all people are treated impartially. I imagine a world where colleges provide scholarships to cover full expense of college. Thank you.
I imagine a world where my gender, sexuality, and ethnicity don't determine how I should be viewed or treated. I imagine a world where I don't have to worry about my father not coming home every day. I imagine a world where equality actually means equality. I imagine a world where we can coexist and be ourselves without consequences. This is my world.
I imagine a world where people get along and not judge each other by their looks. I imagine a world where money doesn't exist. I imagine not seeing people on the news going missing or getting killed. And I imagine everyone having equal lives, meaning having enough money, having a house, a car, food, and a job.
I imagine a world where everyone can have the same amount of rights. I want everyone to feel safe and protected and not have to worry about their rights taken away or being convicted for something they didn't do. I imagine a world where it is nothing but peace and acceptance. No one is judging each other because we're all human, and no one's life shouldn't feel like it shouldn't matter or feel threatened in their own country.
And I imagine a world where Black women are appreciated. I imagine a world where society doesn't look at men as they're weak when they're expressing their feelings. I imagine a world where homosexuals can express themselves without judgment. And I imagine a world where women aren't looked at as a sex object.
I imagine a world where I don't have to live in fear of my parents being picked up from ICE and being sent to camps. I imagine a world where I don't have to fear for my brothers and sisters to be put inside of cages. I imagine a world where I don't have to live in fear for my nephew if he goes outside being kidnapped one day.
I imagine a world where everyone is treated equally regardless of their differences. I imagine a world where people aren't afraid of the same government that's supposed to protect. I imagine a world where humanity wasn't consumed by the 7 deadly sins. I imagine a world where my religion, sexuality, and gender doesn't discredit my capability to do my job.
I imagine a world where there's equal rights between everybody. I imagine a world where people get along and have friendship. I imagine a world where there's no evil around us. I imagine a world where people have positive things to say about African Americans. I imagine a world where people stand up and have their own opinions.